Hi student, in previous lecture we discussed the constructor. Constructor, it is a special member function which is used to automatic initialization of the object. In a constructor there is some rules which is discussed in a previous lecture. The constructor function name is the same as that of a class name. Constructor function may not be static. It may not have the any return data type. And mostly important rule is a constructor declared in a public section. This constructor, there is a similar function as like of the constructor, that is a destructor. Destructor, it is a totally opposite to the constructor. It is also the special member function in a class which is used to automatically execute or used to delete a object. That is, constructor function is a function that automatically executed or run when an object is destroyed. When we want to delete the object which is created by the constructor or which is initialized by the constructor, it is deleted by using the destructor function. So it is a mostly important function in a class. Mostly destructor, it is used to destroy the object which is initialized by the constructor, and it is automatically executed when the compiler or when the user can want to delete the object. That is a destructor function. There is some basic rules for declaration of the destructor function. First rule, destructor function name is same as that of a class name, but it is started with tilde. That is, destructor function and constructor function name is the same as that of a class name, but slightly difference for the declaration of the destructor function is destructor function started with the tilde symbol, and after that we can give the name of a class. Next, second basic rule for the declaration of the destructor function is destructor function must be declared in a public section. That is, destructor is a member of a public section of a class. Next rule is it takes no argument. That is, we discussed that the parameterized constructor function. Here, in a parameterized constructor function, we give the argument list, but in a destructor function, there is no any argument at a declaration of the destructor function. And last important rule is the destructor, it is declared with no arguments, or it is declared with no return data type. That is, we can't give any data type before that the destructor function. That is a basic 4 rules for the declaration of the destructor function. First rule is destructor function name is same as that of a class name but started with the tilde symbol. Second, it must be declared in a public section. Third one, it not take any arguments at a declaration of a destructor function. And fourth is no return data type. That any data type which we want to return a value, we can't give before that the destructor function. But this function is used to destroy the object which is created by the constructor or initialized by the constructor. There is a special syntax for the declaration of the destructor function in a program. First, we give the class data type, that is a user defined data type, name of a class which we want to use. Next, in a private section, if there is cannot given any section, by default compiler consider as a private. So I can be write here a blank. I want to write the public, it may be the public section or the data members is a public. But if user cannot be give any section visibility mode, at that time compiler can be considered as a private section. Here is some data members or the member function in a private section, and in a public section we can be declared the destructor function. That first is a tilde symbol. Again we can be write the name of a class and opening closing bracket here. It tells that here is a destructor function, declaration of a destructor function. For example, class, if I can be use test class name, in a public section there is a values p m, private section, sorry, in a private section there is a data members is int p, int m. Here is a normal variables. Next, in a public section I can be write the destructor or declare the destructor. How I can be declare the destructor? First, started with the tilde. I can be give here tilde symbol and name of a class is a test. Opening a closing bracket. Okay. There is a rule. Tilde started with the tilde. Name is the same as that of a class name. It must be declared in a public, so I can be write in a public section. Third one, it take no argument. Here we can be give the parameters or the argument. I cannot give here the arguments because that is also the rules for the declaration of the destructor. And last one is it is declared with no return data type. We declare the function as by using a data type. For example, while suppose input, that is a function we declared with the return data type, but in a destructor we can't give any return data type. That is information about the destructor function. Okay.